Osmo Pocket has been ruling the 3axis mini camera market, but no longer is the case as we have one serious contender in the market, XIAOMI FIMI PALM. And the best news is that it comes at a fraction of the price.
And of course the price is really important, and XIAOMI FIMI brand has done it again with XIAOMI FIMI Palm, and the price compared to Osmo Pocket, it is so much more affordable.
First, I want to thank Pergear, a one-stop shop and world leader in your favorite photo and filmmaking gear collection with 5-star rating at Amazon. Thank you for providing me with XIAOMI FIMI Palm for my review.
The first thing that you will obviously notice is the 128 degrees field of view. It is so much wider than Osmo Pocket. You can compare the field of view and you can see the immediate difference. And with XIAOMI Palm, if you do want to go narrower, you have the option to go narrow, but it will be in 1080p.
Under camera setting, where you can actually set the raw file, you can set the frame into either linear or non-linear mode.
And you can also zoom in up to 3 times with the joystick.
Left and right, you can change the EV. And you can connect FIMI Palm to your mobile phone without any additional accessory.
So I do notice that there is a little bit of lag. So this circle is me using the camera recording app, and as I'm holding the mobile phone like this, just look at what I'm saying. Can you see a bit of lag? Can you see a little bit of lag? But it's something you can probably live with. So these are the menus, and they look pretty much similar to what we're used to in Osmo Pocket, which I will definitely explore very soon. And the built-in joystick, I absolutely enjoy the built-in joystick. So you can actually move up and down very smoothly and without actually having to pay for another accessory. It's super. And because of that, you can actually go 360 degrees with this. I mean, it's not infinite 360, it stops at some point, but still 360 degrees rotation, which is fantastic. Almost 360 degrees. But if you guys are not patient like me, you can just turn it around like this and you got it. Oh, Sepia is actually quite nice. And in photo, it's quite interesting. You can see here, there are 3 circles, and you can actually change the color into
natural, sepia, and black.
Interesting attempt. If you see the bottom, I mean, that might be a very minor thing to say, but you can see the rubbery bottom here, and it is flatter than the rounder bottom of Osmo Pocket. It would give a bit more safety when you're trying to stand it in different surface. If you had been following my channel, I had a couple of bad incidents with this rounded bottom of Osmo Pocket and killed Osmo Pocket a couple of times. And can you guys see the little thread? There is a little bit of dent of the gimbal, so I'm not entirely sure how it will work.
But this lanyard hole is an excellent idea for extra safety.
For day one, I absolutely enjoyed it a lot, but this has only been one-sided argument, and it has only been the first few hours with this tiny mini XIAOMI FIMI Palm camera. So hit the subscribe button because I'll come back more with a review of this camera as I explore more in different situations. So don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you